Lesson Pop Learning. Procedural writing. How to make za'atar bread. What is procedural writing? Procedural writing is writing that gives clear directions for others to follow in the correct order. Procedural writing can be used to give steps for recipes, crafts, art, routines, and staying safe. Procedural writing starts with a title, a list of materials or ingredients, and then the step-by-step directions. Using transition words is important in procedural writing. We use transition words such as first, then, after, finally. Let's start writing. Title: How to make za'atar bread. Ingredients: za'atar, oil, bread, a spoon, a bowl, and a knife. First, add 3 spoonfuls of za'atar to a bowl. Next, add 1 spoonful of oil to the same bowl. Then, stir the bowl with a spoon to mix it together. Finally, spread the mixture on bread with a knife and enjoy. Time for a quiz all about procedural writing. What is procedural writing? If you said that procedural writing is writing that gives clear directions for others to follow, in the correct order, you are correct. What are some examples of procedural writing? You're correct if you said the answer was recipes, arts and crafts directions, or if you said routines and directions for staying safe like in a fire drill. Name the 3 elements of procedural writing. If you said the 3 elements of procedural writing includes a title, a list of materials or ingredients and the directions, you are correct. What are some examples of transition words? Examples of transition words are first, then, after, and finally. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe for fun, educational videos and be sure to check out our website for free worksheets.